how to create an NSFW or age-restricted channel on Discord mobile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a channel as age-restricted on Discord using your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately, they have removed the setting in the Discord mobile app that allows you to mark a channel as NSFW or age-restricted. So in order to do this, we need to open up the browser and first navigate to discord.com. Check the description, I'll have a direct link down there. Then select Open Discord. When you do that, it shouldn't open up the Discord app, but if it does, just long press that and select Open a New Tab. So go ahead, log into your account, and then all you need to do is select the three lines in the top left of Discord, and you'll see the servers here. So select the server. Once you select the server, select the channel you want to mark as age restricted. And then once you've selected the channel, go ahead and select the three lines again in the top left. You'll then see a gear appear next to this. Now what I recommend doing is zooming in and selecting the gear. When you see edit channel come up, zoom back out and then select overview. You can then scroll down and you'll see age restricted channel, toggle that on, and then just select save changes at the bottom. And there we go. We have now age restricted or marked that channel as NSFW. As you can see, it has a little hazard icon on it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.